Hi guys! So, it's our third day of doing our Zumba. So, online Zumba ang aming ginagawa after work. So, ang out namin from work is 4:48 or let's say 5 o'clock. Then, nag start kami 7 or 7:30. So, share ko lang yung positive effects sa akin na. Kasi parang um, before, pag-uwi, parang tamad na tamad ako or hindi ako energetic. Talagang gusto ko na lang, basta hindi healthy yung ginagawa ko. Like, kain ng kain pag-uwi, something like that. Tapos, hihiga na lang after a stressful day. Siyempre, 7 to 5 ka sa work, di ba? Parang, grabe na upo ka lang, nakarap sa computer. So, napakagandang idea nitong ginagawa namin ngayon. Actually, hindi naman totally ang goal naman is magpapayat, magpa-sexy, or something like that. So, yun, since nag-start kami gawin to, parang nakaka-good vibes, positive vibes. So, there's something I would like to share, di ba? So, masarap sa pakiramdam pala na parang you're with people who's not toxic. Yung environment mo is hindi nagbibigay ng bad vibes or bad energy sa'yo. Parang ang sarap sa pakiramdam or ang sarap talaga sa pakiramdam na you're with people na pakiramdam mo is belong ka. You're belong, di ba? So, ang gusto ko lang sabihin is be surrounded with people who brings positivity, who brings good vibes, good energy to your soul, to your mind, to your body. And with that, parang isa siya nakakatulong para magkaroon ka ng healthy mind, healthy mindset. Instead na maramdaman mong tamad ako ngayong araw na to, pagod ako ngayong araw na to, ang pangit ng araw ko, ang dami ko na-encounter na toxic, ang dami ko na-encounter na negative. So, although may stress pa rin talaga sa work or may stress pa rin talaga sa environment, at the end of the day, take time pa rin para mag-relax. Mag-take time pa rin para labas mo lahat ng negative vibe sa katawan mo. Kasi sa panahon talaga ngayon, guys, kailangan natin maging healthy not only physically but also emotionally. So yun, as we grow older, parang ang gusto lang talaga natin is to have a peace of mind, to have a healthy mind, di ba? Parang good vibes lang, yung happy lang, focus lang sa goal. So ayun, don't waste time for the people who brings bad vibes to your life. Okay, let us enjoy life. Let's choose positivity over negative. Let's choose to be happy than to be toxic. So bye!